What is your plan for all of these tools?
Pensamos hacer un grupo de enseñanza. Tenemos pensado por lo menos atender a 6 niños o 6 jóvenes que aprendan el oficio carpintería.
We are going to start a group of at least 6 young men or women to begin a carpentry group here where they can learn all different carpentry skills to then be able to sell things for the community and to earn money.
La idea es que ellos aprendan lo básico de carpintería para que puedan hacer muebles o cosas básicas para poder vender y ganar algo de recursos.
And their plan is to teach them all of the basic things so they can learn how to make furniture and other things that would be helpful to them to then go out and sell to bring money to their families.
Bueno, muchos de los jóvenes estudian, pero se les hace difícil conseguir un trabajo.
Many of the youth are still in school and they find it really difficult to find a job that works with their school schedule.
Lo que queremos es que aprendan un oficio, aprendan algo distinto para que puedan ellos trabajar por su cuenta.
And so they want to be able to teach them a specific skill so that then they will have a particular thing to be able to go get a job.
Ellos pueden venir acá a hacer su mueble y lo pueden vender.
They can come here, make whatever they're going to make, their furniture, and then go out and sell it.
How many students do you plan to have in the first class, and when do you plan to start?
Bueno, por el espacio que no es muy amplio, vamos a empezar con 6 estudiantes.
So because of the space that we have, that is not so large, we're going to start with 6 students.
Y el plan es que en 6 meses ellos aprendan lo básico y que ya puedan trabajarlo.
And the goal is that over 6 months, they'll be able to learn all that they need to learn and be able to go on and start making the things on their own.
Para tomar otro grupo de 6.
And then we can bring in 6 new students to start all over.
Y los 6 que ya terminaron puedan venir cuando ellos necesiten usar herramientas a trabajarlas acá.
And the 6 that finish can always come back and use the tools whenever they're ready to make something to then take out.
And you plan to start the week after Easter?
Sí, 2 semanas después de Semana Santa.
2 weeks after Easter, they'll plan to start.
Estoy muy agradecido, Epic, por todo.
I'm very thankful, Epic, for everything.
Ustedes son parte de lo que Dios está haciendo acá en este lugar.
You guys are a great part of what God is doing in this place.
La semilla que están sembrando es un fruto seguro para mañana.
The seed that you are planting is great for the future.
Gracias por creer en nosotros, por el amor a los niños y por la confianza que nos tienen el día de hoy.
Thank you for believing in us and for the love that you have for the children and for all the support that you have given us up until today.